Today you will learn how to make the 3D text in Adobe Illustrator. Start by creating a new document. Grab the type tool, add your desired text. Increase the font size if needed. You can also change the font style before making 3D text. Now go to Effect 3D and Materials and then Extrude and Bevel. From the 3D and Materials panel, select Extrude under the object. From the Materials, select any of your favorite texture if you want the text to be 3D and as well as textured. From the Properties section, change other parameters that fits to your need. You can also change the color of the texture to make it more attractive. You can adjust the text by free-form rotating the text. Now you can copy and paste the same text and then replace it with other words. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel.